In a dense jungle, deep within the heart of the Amazon, lived a tiny ant named Bit, the bullet ant, known for its venomous sting. Though small in stature, its sting was mighty, a tail to make the bravest shudder and quake. One day, Bit encountered a young, naive spider named Spin, who, despite her size, had a curious heart. Eager to understand the fabled pain of the bullet ant's bite, she approached him with caution. "Oh, Bullet, could you please tell me, what makes your sting so fierce and so bright?" she asked, her voice filled with curiosity. Bit, always rather proud of his venom, eagerly accepted the challenge to demonstrate his might. He raised his abdomen, ready to strike, and Spin braced herself for the worst. But as Bit's stinger touched her tiny leg, a sudden pain shot through her entire body, causing her to scream in agony. In her pain, Spin realized that her curiosity had led her to a lesson she would never forget. "Oh, Bullet," she cried, "your sting may be powerful, but it comes with a terrible cost." Bit, reflecting on Spin's experience, felt a pang of remorse for his pride and the harm he had caused. From that day on, Bit vowed to use his venom wisely, and Spin shared her painful lesson with all creatures in the jungle, teaching them that power comes with responsibility. In the end, the bullet ant and the spider became the best of friends, forever reminding others of the importance of humility and wisdom.